G'day all. We've been experimenting, and I'll link to it. We made the fluffiest bread you've ever seen in your life the other day, made with flour from our new friends at Artisan Flour. And I thought, well, this is really impressive, this loaf of bread. I wonder if it is the flour. So what do? We baked another loaf using the normal commercial flour we get from the supermarket, normal yeast you would buy from the supermarket, and exactly the same recipe as we use for that really fluffy stuff. So I'll put a picture of the loaf up there. That's what we got with the Artisan flour. This is what we got with this commercial flour. And to say it's disappointing is putting it mildly. If I'd just seen this, I have had a bread maker before, and it's pretty similar to what we get. It's sunken a bit more than I would have expected, but generally, yeah, it's not bad. Fairly heavy. But the real test is, what does it taste like? So let's cut the end off. It's still nice and airy. We can see that it's okay there, but it's quite dense. Smells good. And there we go. And the texture is very, very different. This is much heavier. Let's get some butter on it. What will be very interesting is to produce our sourdough with that new flour, which we will be doing in the next day or two. So let's try it. Yeah, perfectly okay. Is it outstanding? I would have said yes-ish. Previously, nice homemade white bread. Compared to our Artisan flour with Artisan yeast, it's nothing like it. It's a lot denser, which is not a bad thing. It does taste like bread that you'd buy from the supermarket. So, camera person, have a taste.
It's nice, but it doesn't have any of the fluffiness or the light. The other one by Artisan flour was a lot lighter, fluffier.
I think the difference is mostly in texture.
Yeah, it's very...
But there's also a taste difference.
It's dense. It's quite dry.
We would have compared it directly as a taste test, but the other one was too nice and we ate the whole lot in a day.
Ah, fruitless.
What do you think, Ruth? Do you like it? He doesn't care. As I said, if we hadn't tried that Artisan flour one, I would have said this is quite nice. Not worth raving about, but yeah, quite nice. Just a white flour loaf. But since we've tried the other flour, we are not going back to this stuff. It is just a huge difference. So, my friends at Artisan Flour, you've got a dedicated new customer. What do you think of the bread? Have you had any luck with the commercial flour? Let me know in the comments. Enjoy life. Catch you in the bakery.